Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Realproof Mini Bluetooth earphone. You can get this product on Amazon for about $20. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product. First, I fully charge the earphone and it takes between 1 and 2 hours. Connecting the earphone with your smartphone is very easy and only takes a few seconds. With a waterproof rubber casing, the Bluetooth earphone is waterproof up to 30 minutes, and you can even use it in the shower. The Bluetooth earphone comes with a carabiner for easy carrying. I tested the Bluetooth earphone for about a week and I think it's a very good product. It's small and lightweight, the audio quality and the microphone quality are very good, it never lost Bluetooth connection to my devices, and the battery life is very decent. So if you are looking for a small and lightweight single Bluetooth earbud, which you can also use in the shower, I would recommend the Realproof Mini Bluetooth earphone. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.